Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Crystal Mandala Oracle. This is by Alana Fairchild and it says, "Channel the power of heaven and earth." This is published by Blue Angel, and please forgive me, I'm not sure exactly how much it retails for, but I believe it is $26.95. But as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this deck should you want to. All right, so let's get into it. It's 54 cards in a guidebook featuring art by Jane Marin. This unique oracle deck is encoded with crystal frequencies and the high vibrational energy of angels, ascended masters, and goddesses to empower you to channel the divine healing power of heaven and earth. In this stunning standalone deck, you will work with the vibrant crystal mandalas by Jane Marin, as featured in Alana's popular books Crystal Angels 444, Crystal Masters 333, and Crystal Goddesses 888. Alana shares loving spiritual guidance from the angels, masters, and goddesses to help you integrate the frequencies of the crystals and higher beings that are featured in each of the cards. The Crystal Angels will help you heal your body, mind, and soul. The Crystal Masters will support your spiritual growth and help you successfully pass through spiritual tests and initiations. The Crystal Goddesses will empower you to embody your spirit and express your soul purpose in the world. This powerful deck will enhance your connection to the sacred worlds of higher beings and crystal energy, opening your heart to divine beauty and empowering your soul with loving consciousness. This one is from 2020 printing, just FYI. I don't know, but I want to say that there's a newer version out. I'm not quite sure. If I know, I'll put it up in post. All right, there's the cards. This is thick. Ooh, that's a lot of information. All right, so I think we pretty much covered what's going to go on in this deck. I don't want to spend too much time on the guidebook, but it is sectioned out by the angels, the masters, and the goddesses. Page number for each card, which is fantastic. It gives you more information about the masters, angels, and goddesses and what the numbers mean. Awesome, awesome. I love 444. And then it says understanding the deck. So when you draw a card from the Crystal Angels 444 suit, you are being given an additional message that focuses you at this time in personal healing. Okay, so we kind of already went over all of that. So how to work with this deck. You can choose a card. You have repeating cards. It's not an error, it's a sign. And then healing process are powerful and relatively quick ways to apply the guidance of the oracles. Awesome. And then we got some layouts. So deep insight. And let's see if there's anything else here. Then we have the past, present, and future. Ooh, a little blessing for your deck as well. And then it goes into the guidebook, which we'll do a flip through, shuffle, pull a card, and then read from it. All right, let's check it out. There's the back. Very pretty. That looks like lapis. All righty. Ooh. It's really cool. Oh, all right. So before we go any further, there's different borders for each suit. Awesome. And then it does tell you the suit that it is. Perfect. All right, let's talk about cardstock. Very nice. It's on the medium/thicker side of the mass production decks. So it's very good quality. It's a matte. I think it's going to shuffle just fine. And it is a large deck, so those with small hands might find it slightly inconvenient, but not too much that you can't shuffle. It's really pretty. Very different. Oh, labradorite. So that's what's on the back. I love labradorite so much. It's a very positive feeling deck. Oh, Sacred Play. There's the lapis. So it gives you the angel name and then the stone / crystal, a keyword about it. So all ready to go right there. I love this moon in the background. Ooh, I love a tiger's eye. Malachite is another one of my favorites. This is beautiful. I have a lot of crystal decks, but I don't think I have anything so unique like this. All right, masters now. Ooh, that's pretty. That rose. I'm excited to get into the guidebook and read up on all of this. I love a moss agate too. Very grounding. Ooh, pearl. I feel like this could be a very healing deck. Like a softer side of shadow work. Oh. Merlin, aw. Okay, and the last suit, the goddesses. Just really beautiful mandala effects. Oh. A lot of very unique crystals. Of course, a cat's eye for Bastet. Oh, I actually just got an ocean jasper. Slowly but surely collecting crystals. I'm wondering if you can just use or pull from specific suits. So say you wanted to work with the angels, you'd pull from that suit. Work with the goddesses, you'd pull from this. It's very pretty. Very different, but pretty. Oh, a lava stone. Oh, Pele. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Yep, not an issue. It snaps back just fine. It's flexible. I like to shuffle my bigger decks side by side like this. Gives me a little bit more control. All right, now let's shuffle this way. Yeah, not bad at all. I don't have an issue with this. This is the same publisher that published the Whispers of the Ocean deck, which I absolutely adore and I love to use. So the quality is great. And the price tag is not bad for this. All right, can I get a card to read, please? Okay, Spiritual Connection. Ascended Master Saint Germain and Amethyst. All right, so it looks like there is a lot here. I won't read all of it because that is quite a lot to read out to you. But I will read this paragraph here. All right, so it says, we bring you the blessing of spiritual connection. There are times on your life path when you will feel alone. If you are working on an issue or going through a challenging time and don't feel particularly supported or that others understand, even though they may love you, then that sense of loneliness may increase for a time. Or perhaps you wonder if you are spiritually connected as you could be. Perhaps you have been asking for confirmation of your divine connection or for some sort of sign that what you think might be divine guidance is genuine. This oracle comes with a message. You are capable of conscious spiritual connection, and that connection is growing in power every time you talk to the universe through prayer or any act of devotion. You are also being asked to release any barriers around your heart and mind so you can allow the unconditionally loving voice of spirit to be heard in your heart and soothe your mind. And then it goes into more information. And then the healing process to integrate this guidance. It has an invocation and then some act to do. So that's really cool. And it looks like that's the case for all of these. Let me just double check with the goddesses as well. Yeah, healing process. So this I think is great to help with shadow work, with healing. If you are trying to expand your spiritual consciousness like this was talking about, I think this is a great deck to kind of help with that. If you are wanting to explore ascended masters and goddesses and angels, this might be a deck for you. There's a lot of info in here. For the price tag, I am not mad at that. I feel like the quality is great. And like I said, there's so much to read through here that it could be very beneficial if you are looking for this type of deck. And I definitely get very positive feelings from this deck. It seems very genuine, very helpful. and very compassionate. I do feel like this could be a good tool to help you through any sort of grieving, healing, any sort of self-doubt. This could be a really good deck for that. It could also be a deck to kind of help your connection with your spirit guides, I feel. So with that being said, do you guys already own this deck? Because I know this has been out for a while. Or is this something that's been on your list for a while? Or is this a hard pass for you? Let me know all your thoughts down in the comment section below. I would love to hear them. I'm excited to kind of play around with it and see what I get from it. But I'm really liking the fact that there's a lot of different crystals that aren't like your quote unquote everyday crystal in here as well. So you get to feel around with that a little bit. So now I turn it over to you. And with that, thank you so much for hanging out with me today and spending your time with me. I love you and I like you. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.